Hello friends, today I'll show you how to connect Claude Desktop with Pega. Basically there are three steps. First is you should have Pega installed. I have used Pega Infinity 26. You can install 23 or above, and you have to install Node.js 18 or above version. And after installing Node.js, just double check that you have the version 18 or above, and then you should run this command npx to and just double check that there is a version coming onto your screen in the command prompt. Second step is that you have to create a OAuth 2.0 client registration, and third step is that you have to update the Claude desktop config.json file. So let's start. Let me go to Pega first. So in this you can see that I have a case type here. I have basically 5 case types, out of which assessment management is one of them. So you can see it on the screen. I have a operator called MCP operator, and I have created that OAuth client registration, which is MCP client registration reg. So here you can see the client registration has been created. It's basically very straightforward OAuth 2.0 client registration that we usually do. Nothing fancy about it. Just mention the operator ID here, and the client credentials you will definitely get. And remaining things are all by default. I haven't changed anything. And why I kept this operator ID is that I don't want Claude to access everything in my application. Whatever I want to give access to Claude, that I have created, and hence this operator I have created and given a restricted access to Claude. And you can see here that I have case types like these. Many case types I am having: assessment management, audit lifecycle, etc. So I have 5 case types here. Now let's go to the third step, which is basically configure the Claude desktop. So you have to log into Claude with credential, and then first of all, what you have to do, on the left top corner you will see a hamburger sign. So if you click that, you will not get this developer option. First you have to go to help, and there in troubleshooting you will get one option called something related to developer. So there, once you click that, you will get the developer option, which is basically this one. So once you get the developer option, you have to come to open app config file, which will eventually open this file. And here you have to change the URL and the client ID and client secret that you have created in Pega. So the file will look like similar to this one. So the file will look like this, and here you have to add this portion into that config.js file, which is basically this one. You have to add this portion. This is a new component that I have added. So this you have to add, and then you have to change these values. Base URL would be the Pega that you are connecting to, and the client ID and client secret that you have created in your OAuth 2.0 registration. So basically you have to give the details from here, whatever you have created. Now then you have to log off, log in again. You have to log out and then log into Claude. And once you are logging back, if you write here something like list the case type, you are supposed to get all those case types that has been created in Pega, and whatever the access you have given to that operator, accordingly it will try to fetch the details and it will show you the case types. See, it is able to fetch the case types, all the 5 case types. It is able to fetch the same case types are here in Pega. If I go back, see assessment, audit, finding and action, supplier, user and role. Assessment, audit, finding and actions, supplier, user and role. So this is it. This is how we can easily configure or connect Claude and Pega. And after this, you can do a lot of things from Claude, and you can access your application. You can run the application. So you can check different scenarios. You can use different use cases, and this is how you can connect Claude and Pega. Thank you for watching. Hope this will help you to configure your in your application the Claude and Pega application. You will be able to um, connect successfully. Happy learning. Thank you.